Hello YouTube. This is a progress video on the President Adams restoration of the bezels. And where are we at? Alright, so the two bezels, they're both in primer black. This is at 1500 level, so they're quite smooth. However, they still, you won't pick it. But what I need to do in preparation for the next level of paint is just a light sand at 3000 grit or 2500. The exercise today is on the damaged faceplate, resolved the issues with the pitting. As you can see on the top there, very hard to see any defects whatsoever on that top bezel. So that's resolved. I'm happy with that. That just needs a light sand. The only part of an issue is where the gouge was taken out, and I'm about to lightly sand that. The resin did not work, so what I've done is gone back to my Tamiya body putting in acrylic. I'm now going to sand that very, very gently at 2500. Now that's been wait in dry stage for nearly 48 hours. Alright, so what am I going to use? I'm going to use my trusty sanding blocks, and I might even try a new product which I bought from SMS, which is their sanding pads. So let's move forward and see what happens. Alright, so I've taken the sanding block and pad out of its packet. Nice branding there on one side. Don't know what that is, but it's etched in there. On the other side it's clean. On the sanding block you've got your porous side, and then a side with an adhesive. So that's how it's going to bond to the aluminium. Alright, so I'll do that and I'll show you more when I have more. Alright, this is very nice. I might actually buy some more of these. I like this. Alright, so that's a bit rough for what we need, even though I bought refills, which are two different grades. They're at 240 grade there, so that's a bit less. A bit more than that, so it's a bit rougher. What I'm going to do is go for my 600 and 800 in a block. I'm going to start with I'm going to actually go straight to the 800 for the sanding of this. Alright, I'm actually happy with that. If we add any more to it, it starts to get complex, so it's much better than what it was. As you can see. So what I'm going to do now is go and spray some more undercoat on that section, wait for it to dry, then both covers, faceplates, are ready for final paint. I'll come back and show you more when I've done the undercoat, and then the next video we'll do the spray painting. Okay, both faceplates are now sanded in 1200 around all sides and leading edges, and they're now ready for the final undercoat. When I have more, I'll show more. Alright, come on, focus. There we go. So as you can see, that's done. Alright, I'll start the undercoat. Alright, nice sunny wet day out today. It's around about 20 degrees. Just preparing, cleaning, and preparing for this one to go in, and we'll finish it off. And this is why you clean, okay, in between coats. So that's all of the sanded material that's stuck to the surface. Okay, that one's clean, and as you can see, I've taken that down to the right level. That's ready for sand, car coat. Okay, all done now, and it's in the booth. Thank you for watching. Remember, comment, like and subscribe.